Today I'm taking a look at the Solareye Superpower Turbo Fan X13. So we got our instructions. And here is the fan. So we can see we have fairly similar construction to their X1. The fan looks about the same. The big difference between this one and the X1 is this one's supposed to be 180,000 RPM. The X1 is 130,000 RPM, so that is 50,000 more. We got a USB-C port in the bottom for charging. We got a tether point, got our power button on the back, and we got our trigger on the front. The interesting thing about this one is the nozzle is actually a part of the case on here, so this one is not removable. However, it does come with attachments, so if we want to, we can increase the length and shorten down that size. And it appears that those just press on. Okay, comes with a full charge. That has a ton of power to it. So I could actually feel it pushing the duster back and pushing my hand back. Yeah, that is the highest power duster for this size that I've used to date. Look at that doing to my skin. That is really cool. Okay, cool. Cratering my skin. So we also have USB cables, USB-C to USB-A. Comes with a carrying pouch, very nice soft pouch as well. And we got a bunch of cleaning brushes, so if you want to use this whole set to do detail work on your vehicle, something like that, we can use this to make that happen. Really, this is the star of the show. That is an incredible amount of power for a little duster like this. Like, this completely destroys anything you would get out of a compressed air can. Plus the fact that it's battery powered, you're not going to have to worry about this duster depleting. That is impressive. So here's an old router. You can see it's got quite a bit of dust on it. Looks like it got most of it. It does appear to still need a tack cloth to get a full cleaning, but that is not bad at all. So overall, that is a very impressive duster.